How to use companion pass on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can use companion pass on Southwest Airlines. Now before I go further, I must let you know that not everyone can use companion pass on Southwest. Alright, you'd have to qualify for it first of all. So how do you know if you're qualified? How do you know how to use it? The first step is to log in into your Southwest Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then the next step would be to log in into your Rapid Rewards account. And how do you do so? Move to the right side of the screen where you can see options like special offers, vacations, car, hotels, flights. And then just go ahead and click on Rapid Rewards. So after clicking on Rapid Rewards in the box displayed here, just go ahead and click on sign up for you to be able to log in into your Rapid Rewards account. So after clicking on sign up, you'll be taken to the enrollment page. So if you already have an account with them, just go ahead, at least with Rapid Rewards, just go ahead and click on view my account. So you'll be taken to your Rapid Rewards account once you have done so. So once the account has loaded, you can see my account, you can see by the right side, you can see options like trips, payment profile. Now, if you qualify to use your companion pass, by the time you click on my account, and you're brought to the accounts page. On this page, you will see the option companion pass. You can see other options here, right? Such as flight credit. You can see promo codes. This is because you qualify for those ones. I qualify for those ones, but I do not qualify for companion pass. That is why I cannot find it here. But for you, if you qualify, you'll see the companion pass option here. So all you need to do is to select it. So after clicking on it, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to enter in your companion info. Just enter in the companion info, follow the instructions. Then after following the instructions, the next thing to do would be for you to book your flight. So you can now go back to the main screen to book your flight. And so while booking your flight, you can just enter in your companion. You can add your companion to the booking by entering in their details, and you would not have to pay a dime because you already have your companion pass. So that's how it works. Okay. But there are certain things for you to do for you to qualify. You must have used their account to an extent and followed and you have done some requirements for you to be able to qualify for this. So this is how you can use your companion pass. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you and have a good day.